Hello Lego friends, today we're going to play a game. It's called Guess the Number. Are you ready to play? Let's go! Brickucation! What number is this? It's number 9. Well done. What number is this? It's number 6. Great job. What number is this? It's number 10. Wow, so good. What number is this? It's number 7. Amazing, you're doing great. What number is this? It's number 8. Awesome. Round 2. Let's go. What number is this? It's number 10. Well done. What number is this? It's number 8. Amazing. What number is this? It's number 6. Fantastic. What number is this? It's number 7. You are amazing. What number is this? It's number 9. Awesome. You're a number expert. You did such a great job playing the number game. I'm so proud of you. And you should be proud of yourself too. Thank you for playing with us today. And I'll see you in the next video for more Lego fun. And remember, play and learn different.